Evaluate triple integral over x, y, z dx, dy, dz over the first octant of sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. So you have to evaluate this integral over the first octant of sphere. Okay. So in the first octant we want to find out the limit of the x, y, z. Then we can evaluate the integral. Okay. So the given sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. So in the first octant, limit of the first octant is x limit, y limit and z limit. Okay. So now first I am going to find out the z limit. From this z value is z equal to root of a square minus x square minus y square. So in the first octant it starts from the 0. So 0 to the z value is root of a square minus x square minus y square. So this is the z limit in the first octant. And y limit is same, start from 0, and in the y limit remove y here. So root of a square minus x square. So this is root of a square minus x square. And for the x limit 0 to remove x value, root of a square is a. So this is the limit in the first octant. Okay, now I am going to evaluate this given integral using this limit. Okay, so the given integral, triple integral, the first limit I am going to use z limit 0 to root of a square minus x square minus y square, and next y limit 0 to root of a square minus x square, and last x limit 0 to a. With the function, integral function is x, y, z, dz, because first integral with respect to z. So dz, dy, dx. So first I am going to integrate with respect to z. So 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a square minus x square, x, y, integration of z is z square by 2. The limit for z is 0 to root of a square minus x square minus y square, remaining integral dy dx. Take 2 outside, so 1 by 2, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a square minus x square, and substituting the limit here for z. So xy into, when you substituting here, take square means root will be cancelled, so remaining a square minus x square minus y square. And then we don't want to substitute the lower limit because lower limit is 0, and integral dy and dx. Okay, so after this I am going to multiply xy inside. So now 1 by 2, integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a square minus x square, and multiply xy inside. So a square xy minus x cube y minus xy cube into dy dx. Okay, next I am going to integrate with respect to y. Okay, so this is integration with respect to y, because so integration with respect to y is, this is y square by 2, this is also y square by 2, here also y power 4 by 4. So this is the integral. After integration with respect to y, the limit 0 to root of a square minus x square, it is limit for y. So now I am going to substitute the limit for y. So 1 by 2, integral 0 to a, substituting the upper limit. When you substitute limit for y, take square means root will be cancelled. So a square x by 2 into a square minus x square, root will be cancelled, minus x cube by 2 into, here also root will be cancelled, a square minus x square, minus x by 4 into, when you substitute here, power 4 means square root will be cancelled, remaining square is a square minus x square the whole square into dx. So now the substitution of limit over. Next I want to integrate with respect to y. Before that I am going to simplify first. So the simplification is 1 by 2 integral 0 to a into, multiply the term inside. So a power 4 x by 2 minus a square x cube by 2, multiply here, minus a square x cube by 2, minus minus plus x power 5 by 2, x power 5 by 2, and now next minus x by 4 into, here a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab into dx. Okay, further I am going to simplify. So 1 by 2 integral 0 to a, this is a power 4 x by 2 minus, this is both are same term, so we will do later, x a square x cube by 2 minus a square x cube by 2 plus x power 5 by 2, multiply x by 4 inside, minus a power 4 x by 4 minus x power 5 by 4, next minus minus plus cancel 2, so a square x cube by 2 into dx. Okay, now you see a square x cube by 2 here plus a square x cube by 2, this and this will be cancelled. Okay, next further we can simplify, or otherwise we can integrate. Okay, so now I am going to integrate, directly we can integrate. So 1 by 2 into a power 4 x square by 2, 2 2's are 4, minus a square x power 4 by 2 into 2 into 4 into 2, 8. Here x power 6 by 12 minus a power 4 x square by 8. Okay, x square by 8. Next here minus x power 6 by 24 with the limit 0 to a. Okay, now next I am going to substitute the limit. Substituting the limit here, a square into a power 4, a power 6 by 4. Here substitute limit a power 4 into a square, a power 6 by 8 plus a power 6 by 12 minus a power 6 by 8 minus a power 6 by 24. Okay, so after this you see 1 by 2, take a, we can take a power 4 outside, a power 6 also outside. When you take a power 6 outside, the remaining term 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 24. We can simplify this, a power 6 by 2 into, take LCM 24, 6 4s are 3 4s are 2 into 12, 24 minus 3 minus 1. So finally this is 6 minus 6, the term 3 terms will be cancelled, 2 minus 1 1, so that a power 6 divided by 48. So this is the answer of the problem.